Good morning! Today is my birthday.
Today's your birthday?
Yeah, today's my birthday. We're going to celebrate this birthday by eating... what?
Cake!
Yeah, eating cake and... this one.
Yes.
What's this?
I don't know.
This is hotpot.
Hot
Base.
pot. Hot pot.
We're going to eat hotpot.
We are going to eat hot pot.
Mommy is preparing in the kitchen. So we can play some dinosaur game.
I have playing. I have a long.
You have long tail.
Yes.
A brachiosaurus with long tail. Or an ankylosaurus with a hammer at the end of the tail. After playing, we like to share coconut. Look who drinks faster. Before eating, I like to sing for a while. Now, hotpot time! First, we need all the food to be ready. First, let me put in the hotpot base and pour in some hot water. For the non-spicy side, we just put in some mushrooms and 2 chicken soup bases. Oh, don't forget about a dip. My wife's going to prepare 2 kinds of dips, one for eating the spicy food. One for eating the non-spicy food. When the broth is boiling, put food into the hot pot by using long chopsticks or hand. Now let them be cooked for a while. Oops! I've almost forgotten to add some soup into the dip for the non-spicy food. And mix them up with force. Now, eating time! Wow, look at this meat. See? I put in this dip. It's spicy, so spicy dip. And this, let's try again. First you can feel spicy, a little bit numb, but most important of all, the meat, the texture of it. Guys, look at this. This is duck blood. Yeah. You really should try this. And this is squid feet. Squid feet. Look at this. So delicious. It's a little bit drizzling outside. It's a perfect day for hot pot. You here?
Yes.
You want to eat together with me, so you eat yours and I eat mine. This tofu is made of rice. Rice tofu. What are you eating?
This is a sausage.
Okay.
I like it.
You like your sausage? Okay. Yummy?
Yes, yummy.
You like this? So eat more. Today is our hot pot day. Hot pot!
Apple.
This is another dip. I try this.
And it's my sausage. I like it.
Not bad. I like the spicy one, of course. Compared to that, I like the spicy one. Okay. That's the end of today's show. See you next time. This is a series in Chinese.
Serious Chinese.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.